Welcome back to the channel, guys. I got the old man sitting over there. He had a bite. I caught a fish. And if you look over there, the stock truck is sitting over there, putting in fish. Fish are being put in as we speak. And I caught one before the stock truck got here, so at least that one wasn't an easy picking fish.
You can see my power.
We're at a Big Creek Reservoir in Newport. It's always kind of cool to come up on a stalking day, especially when you weren't really expecting to be here on stalking day. And we're up here camping, try and catch some trout, take back to camp. Then we're gonna do some crabbing tonight. But since my wife's not over here to fish, I'm not rigging her rod up. Let's see if I can't get another bite.
That's what I'm doing. Just waiting for another bite.
Shouldn't take too long. Those guys over there are right there where the fish are. Somebody else stopped up there. Right in front of the truck.
Yeah.
Won't be long. Fish are gonna probably swim right up this bank right here. We're gonna see them right.
We won't even have to cast out there real far.
Yeah, we're gonna see some probably right next to the bank here pretty soon, kind of like we did at Turner Lake. Like we did at Turner Lake that day. It's not a bad idea. Throwing a lure on. Should have brought my fly rod. Oh, they're taking off.
Ah, bitch.
Hey, pick your pull up. God damn it. We gotta get you a rag or something so you can start doing some of this. Pick your pull up.
But then he ate it.
God damn it. I can't hold on to them when they're fucking wiggling. These things, they got like extra slime on them or something. As soon as they start wiggling, it slides right out of my fucking hand. Well, do you still have two baits on there with your bait? If you got your bait, yeah, it'll still work. That's the good thing about power eggs. It's a little smaller.
Yeah, still nice, good.
Yeah, you have to squeeze the fuck out of them. I had to squeeze the hell out of them just to keep them still. They're so it's...
So did I.
Get a bite. Oh, I missed him.
I got him. Oh, nice. Oh, he's off. Shit, that was a nice one.
Got that one. I got that one.
That was a nice one.
Ooh, this is a nice fish.
So was mine that got off.
Oh, he's not a nice one. He just started fighting really good at the end.
Damn.
You see, they would live easier if they would just not wiggle so I can throw them back.
Yeah.
Well, they might be in the water. I don't know. Of course I got my keys. I don't know where they're at. What do you need the keys?
I was going to roll down the windows a little bit more.
Windows rolled down.
Oh, that one I got. Oh, no, that. Oh, gee. Look at this one. This is a nice one.
They use it. We might need to use that net.
This is a nice one.
That's why I got it.
He's not. He's one of the good ones to keep. Oh, there's another one.
It made this pole going real well. Is yours big?
He feels like a decent one. Oh yeah. He's a keeper.
I thought it was a big one the way it made that pole bend.
Yeah, this is a decently limber rod. That's a decent one. I'll keep him.
I still got my power.
I need my pliers for this one.
trying to pull it out. Squeeze, Come on. Come on.
This is fish 3, I think, for me.
I think I'm fish 3 too.
You're on 3. You're... Damn it, man. That's fish what, 1 for you, Dad?
I can't get the hook out of it. There it is.
Okay, I'm gonna count real quick. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's 3 each.
Hold on a minute.
And your dad's on his first one?
What, you're gonna put your own down there?
Well, I'm gonna hook it to your stringer.
Hook it to that metal loop.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna try to do. If I can find it. Right there. Just like that. Okay. Gosh.
I'm really liking those. Ooh, that fish took my bait. No wonder why I wasn't getting another bite. I'll get my power eggs that I have.
Nice. Nice. I should have a lighter sinker on me than what I've got.
All right, I've already gotten 3 fish.
I've gotten 2.
If I catch my 4th fish, I'm going to switch to lure. There's so many fish. Nothing giants, but they're a lot better than the stalkers they've been stalking in Salem. I haven't been liking them tiny stalkers in Salem. Those little stalkers in Salem are just too small.
There's one. Nice. If it's small.
Ooh.
Oh, nice fish. Nice fish.
I don't know.
The net.
Jesus.
Oh, God.
Ooh, one reeling in. I was reeling in and he hit it.
That's a nice fish.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. This one's not. I'm going to throw this one back. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. That might even be a contender to be the biggest one so far. He was barely hooked. That was a good release.
He's fat.
That's a contender to be in the biggest one.
He's fat. That's all I can say.
This is some fun ass fishing. I'm glad I said I wanted to come up here. Yeah, just a second. There, I'm gonna reel in real quick, just because I know that as soon as I cast back out, I'm gonna get a bite. If I wait too long, I'm gonna get a bite. You throw them back and try and catch a decent one. That'd be number 4. Oh yeah, this is a decent fat one.
That's why I set up the fish. Oh shit, that was easy. Oh.
There's a lot of fish right here. You can have that spot. It gives us more room. It gives us more room when you're over there.
No, I still need 2.
I need 1.
But I'm the best bait fishing. I like catching them on that bait rock. I have to pull it. This one here, I finally caught something with it. The other one, I haven't caught nothing on it. I'm gonna take a shad fishing.
Having a good look with this rod, Bobby. Thanks for giving me a deal. It was well worth 40 bucks.
Got one on already.
Unless it's 20 inches.
There's a bite. There's a
I
bite.
need to take this big heavy sinker off.
Got him. Got that. Got him. Ooh, this one's pulling. Ooh, this one's acting like a decent fish. This one's acting like a decent fish. Whoa, whoa.
Not bad.
He's a nice fat one. He'll live.
Oh no! I just lost that little sinker.
That fish will live. Oh, he stole one of my power eggs. Does it float still? Nope.
I had a hold of this line.
One doesn't float it.
I had a hold of this line.
See, my green power eggs are doing good too.
And I let go of the line and my sinker went down in the water down there.
I just don't know where I put them.
That was a big sinker too.
Okay, I don't get it.
Power eggs that are up there by Krista's.
No, my green ones. I just had them. How do you keep doing that?
Flat.
Damn it! How am
Just swim out.
How did I lose that bait?
Are you stuck in the field above or down below?
Why the fuck did my bait go? I guess my bait's gone? There they are. Why are they? I had them in my pocket once, and then I put them back in my bag. I should have done this. I know they weren't floating in the water, so I knew they had to have been up here. Am I starting to like power eggs? I don't know. I always hated using them. I tried them multiple times and they wouldn't work. There'd be days I'd see people using power eggs and hey, are you all good over there? Okay. I'd see people using some of them and I'd be...
They swim out? I'll hold it back away from there.
You control the fish, they're just trout. What happened?
I guess it got off. It like literally wasn't on. But you see that tree stump right there? That's where I got caught.
I don't know. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Whoa, this one here's pretty feisty.
I already got one.
Babe, don't reel in like that if you don't have one. Oh, you do have one.
I just said that.
Oh, I thought you said no.
No, I don't. It just got off.
Well, you get your bite and set the hook. You want to set it into their lip, your hook.
I think it is seven, actually. I think I have it.
That one looks... Yeah, there you go.
Oh, shit.
Ooh, that's a decent fish. Hell yeah.
Last fish.
Got a limited fish. I'll take it off of here. No, pick your pull up.
Got my last one. If it will stop moving.
Well, I lost the hook. I'll get pliers and get it out so I don't lose it. Leader came off, had the hooks in the mouth, but I got my pliers to get the hook back.
I just released one that side.
Did you?
Yeah. There's one.
I still got to catch my last one. Where's my pliers? There they are.
I might keep this one. This one here's pulling my drag. This one here.
Damn it. Whatever. He ain't gonna let me get the hook out. There's blood everywhere. I can't see.
This one here's a pretty nice one.
Hooks are cheap. I'm not worried about it. I guess I'll cast out. I guess I'll cast out there and catch my last fish. And then I'll be done. All right, let's try and catch my fifth fish. I've never done this good fishing here. I've only caught one other fish here, small one. I released it, and an eagle came down and took it. Yeah, another bite. Am I shad fishing? Every time I get a bite and let it sink, I end up getting another bite because there's so many fish. See, look at that, getting a bite again. It was in his mouth. Look at that, another bite. Ooh, I hooked that one. Hooked that one. I hooked that one.
They're not very big though.
Now this one's an easy release, so I'm gonna let this guy go. Okay, Phil, stop wiggling.
That's a big one.
Okay, I don't want to squeeze you, fish. Oh my gosh, these fish are ridiculous. Wasn't a good release. But let's try and catch my last fish. Probably no matter what the size is, I'll probably keep it. Getting a bite already. Oop, there's a bite. It's crazy. Another bite already. Got him.
I got my power already.
Got him out there.
Oh, he's pulling pretty good. I don't know how big he is.
It's not big. He's got cool colors on him now. Yeah, I'll keep this guy. Whoa, shit.
See, that's what I had problem with.
Don't go nowhere, fish.
There's one.
Stay there, fish. I'll keep you.
I think I'm going to keep this one. This one here is pulling pretty hard.
Damn fish.
This one's pulling pretty hard.
He's not a giant fish, but he's pretty fat. He's got some meat on him. None of them are real big, like big, so. All right, there's my limit. There's Chris's limit down in there.
There's another one. About the same size as that last one.
Damn.
Took my power eggs all the way down in his gut.
Here's.
See the size of mine, and then look at this one. The size I was catching.
Yeah,
the lure.
The other three you got were pretty nice. That'll work.
This is a Jenny fish.
Some of these that probably will be. I'm sure she'll get hooked up.
I only need one more.
She might not. It depends.
Have you got 5?
Yeah, I got 5.
That's a nice fish.
Not a bad fish at all. There's all our fish we got down there in the water.
Pretty fat.
Is that 4 or 5?
That's 5.
So that's done, huh? One more cast. Well,
Well, he swallowed it hard too. He was way down there.
one more cast and see if I can't hook a fish. Then release it and then I'll be done. This was so fun. Oh, this was so fun.
This is when you're catching fish.
I did say 1 cast, right? Not 2. Well, last casts are meant to have multiple. Don't step on that rod now.
No, I'm not. See, I got some pretty nice fish. There.
Felt good to get that one on the lure. I love how they bite when you get them.
I know. I'm gonna put them back in the water until we're ready to go. Right down here.
I know, I wish we could do this one right there, right by the bank. Ooh, he's a nice one. I got a brooder. Huh? No, I don't have no brooder. He came off. All right, I'm done having fun. I got to hook a couple on lure. I'm happy. Caught a bunch on bait, hooked a couple on lure.
It's probably my phone. I probably don't have any good.
It was a lot of fun. You like eating trout, don't you, Isaiah?
I'll try it. Pretty good fish.
They're good eating fish. We'll get a wood plank and we'll smoke it. It's practice.
Yeah.
That's
real good.
Smoked fish without having a smoker. Barbecued smoked fish.
I don't know if you guys but we're at the reservoir. They just stopped it, so we just
I got two rocks.
Oh yeah? Alright, I'm gonna try and find a little bag.
We're up here until tomorrow.
Do we have a store bag? Like a
There's
Walmart
no
plastic
store
bag?
bags right
Like
now.
nothing?
Yeah, we're up here until tomorrow. We gotta fish.
Well, I guess the fish can go in here for now. I'll take some ice.
Good lure.
I'll take some ice from the cooler and I will put in there with those fish. But I want to get a picture of all these fish.
Good lure. I don't know good on this one yet.
That'll work.
But I haven't caught nothing with it, so. Oh, that's one good one.
This was awesome. I didn't think fishing was going to be this good.
Well, evidently it was. Pretty good.
Nothing like stock day. And I caught that one right before the truck got here.
I had 2 bites before the truck got here.
Yep. So there were still fish from last week in here.
Yeah.
That's enough for them. What do you mean? What, down in there?
Yeah.
No, that's where my fishing bag was. Yeah, I just had my fishing bag down in there. Yeah, I'll throw mine back down in that spot.
Nothing else we can put something. Nice little pole.
Sarah almost died because her backwood pump went out Tuesday night and she got a really bad rash around it and her fever was at 110. I couldn't take it and she had a seizure. So she was in a coma. They put her in a coma because of the seizure, because of like the backwood pump, the pain and everything. They had to. They took her out of it and now she's going to be at the hospital for
Crazy.
she has to have surgery.
That's crazy.
The iron fucking breaking out. Yeah. She's like 9 million.
I've had them broke down before.
All right.
I got ice on the fish. So the fish will be fine for as long as they need to be. I want to get this back down here. This is all
Finding the end of the rope here.
This is loose now because I had to untie it. What?
He's gonna be tired by 12 o'clock. Fucking ass is silly.
Nothing wrong with that. That's my drink. It's been up there since I got here. I've been wondering where it was. Well, that too, and it's kind of cool to have him out. Let's go do some stuff with him. So do some stuff with him with the family.
We caught that fish in like half an hour.
Well, that and we got here at the time the stocking fish got here. All right, there's our camp, but that wind is crazy. There's our tent. We got a few things in there. Here's my dad's tent. The wind is so crazy, it snapped this pole down here. To my dad's tent. Pretty crazy.
I think we're better bring a chair, huh?
Yeah, we're done from fishing. We're gonna cook the fish up soon. Yeah, it's really windy. You can see how the wind is. Look at that tent. They swim in.
They're going right underneath that tree. That's where mine went. Is it a big one? No. That's a Jenny size, huh?
Yeah, I'll keep it. Just because I want to try and get our limits.
I gotta take this coat off.
I want to get another limit.
Christy gonna fish?
Well, she said she was, but
We can fish down here.
she's getting sidetracked.
There's room here for all.
Well, she knows that, but I think she's just getting sidetracked. See, you put your first fish on here first like this, and then you don't have to take them all out like this each time.
Yep. He's up there in that tree. Right up there on that tree. Big eagle.
Watch him dive down and come for one of mine on the stringer.
He's up there in that tree right over there. You can see his head right across from us.
I'm waiting for him to take it.
Take this coat off.
Got him. Oh, nope. Yeah, I do. I still got him.
I see him flash out there. That's a nice one, it looks like.
They like to swim in.
A little bit bigger. That one is. I'm just putting the net under him so I don't, so in case he falls off.
Hello, dinner.
Well, we already have dinner.
Huh?
I said we actually already have dinner.
Oh shit, that just popped right out of him. Doesn't here go
Thing with this one, that's crazy. I guess I'll cast out now. Lone Star, shut up. Right now, mister.
The first one I got's pretty good. Huh?
He's just got a piercing.
Yep.
God, got that one. Nope. I pulled it out of his mouth. Yep.
Seen
I got him.
You reeled in a little bit, and he took it. That's all you got to do. Just reel in a little bit. Yeah, taking him over there. That's a pretty nice fish, actually. I was trying to hook it too.
Oh man,
That's a nice fish.
Yeah, it is. This is the nice one that I've got today. Yeah.
I've lost a couple nice ones. I know they were.
How many do you have, babe? How many do you have? That's my limit right there. So that's yours? All right. I know. I'm warm, but I'm not over hot. I got him. Ooh, he's pulling. Ooh, yeah, it's a decent one. Average. No, he's decent.
Ain't that too bad.
I know. Tangled up in someone's fishing line. Oh, gosh, that's annoying. Thank you for watching, guys. You got anything for him?
Peace out.
And go fishing.